This quick video is about setting up your free mirrors. Now the free mirrors to talk about is your centre mirror, which is your rear view mirror, and your left side mirror of the car and your right side mirror of the car. Now before you start setting yourself up, the first thing you want to do is get your seat ready, so that you can get your seat position right, your seat belt on, and then once you're happy with your seating position, the mirrors are next. So the first thing you want to do is when you're sat in your position as you're going to drive off, so pretend you're actually going to drive off, your hands on the wheel, you glance across with your eyes. So if you can look in that centre mirror, we do it on first, and you're looking in that centre mirror and you can see clearly for that mirror the rear view window, what's behind the car, then it's set for you. But if you're looking at rear view mirror and you can't see the road behind you, you're having to move your head to actually see the mirror, up or down, sideways, then it needs to be adjusted, it needs to be moved. So when you adjust it, and what you do is you won't move your body and adjust it, you kind of keep your body still and use your left hand, or if it's on the right hand side because you're driving down the side of the road, and use your right hand, keep yourself steady and move that mirror, just glancing across with your eyes so you can see clearly through that back window. And that's how you set your centre mirror. And your two side mirrors, similar sort of thing. You keep your body kind of still, you don't start moving your body to look at the mirror. And most cars have got electric mirrors, so start off with the left one first. You put your mirror settings to the left side, and you check your mirror, glancing across, and what you're looking for is the first part of the mirror, which is the closest to the car. It's about an inch of it. Wants to really catch the side of the car, maybe the back of the car or the back door handle. Everyone's got slightly different ways to look at it. And the rest of the mirror wants to look behind the car, wants to look at what's actually behind the car, not in the sky or not on the ground, but what's behind the car. So on the left hand side, you should be able to see the side of the road, the curb, and with this instance here, they've got a grass verge. And if you can't see that, then it's set wrong. And then on the right hand side, do the same sort of thing. The first bit of the mirror, which is next to the car, about an inch of it, wants to catch the back of the car. And when you look through the mirror, you just need to adjust it to the left or right, or to up or down, so you can see through it. And at this point here, you can look across and I can see the road behind me at the side of the car. Now it's important that you catch the back of the cars on the mirrors when you're setting it, because if you set it wider, there's going to become a bit of an area that you can't see. So your centre mirror covers the back of the car, and your two side mirrors cover the sides of the car, just clip in the back of the corners of the car at the same time. And that's how you set your mirrors. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you. If it does, give it the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, by the way, press that subscribe button and click on the bell to get my weekly uploads.